nipa betimi enye gidie e wo de waye ni mu.
Okay.
Enu ntia se we avoid the bias. Because e wo kase obi a mfre a na nkoye MPP fo nko a ebi betumi aka se MPP fo nye we na nko mo pe ba wo ma NDC fo so frɛ nti NDC fo ne be sey ade no anko se de o mo pe no nti e be ma gidie ankrofo benya ewu mu no se ye nokre no e be kofem nti na se wo avoid na de to so biem ni se ye de sa no ma etu ye hofo.
Okay.
Edi tu anamo bi ti MPP nyese wo ye we keke but omo behwe so no mahu se ade ne bia se na ekọ na ebia ne wo hwa ne de wo fem no wa yire ne ho aye adwuma ohu eti inform decisions ye betu ya namo sen ye bekọ ne sen is one of another aspect in TSO avoid bias nana ebi nso ne se ema fairness eye adwuma pepepeyo eye adwuma ye munchia wo bia it is a avoid ya one man crofobia and same fatal memory. A chest wine pepepe. A duchum for by our cousin be one real beco duchum quas. A wood giant momo corswa, a chest wine ye fair. Pamana nye pepepe, we buetie binum. Because ebi su anka candy saying ka sing hono, ebi ankro force be fre. Amanko no su afivano. Intino etwa say ye fair, intina omo mujaye no. Na de etwa to cry say ebuam ye nimdie, eka ye nimdie ye wo ho. E advance ye knowledge. Because you say obi ho na adwene de ye no an say oh, ba omi na elidie. Ni obi adwene ye na an say adutwum na elidie. Etu ono nimdie o wo fa ho ne say oh, ba omi obe vice president.
Onye nhwehwemu
bia me fa ho. Na tinka e unse nhwehwemu bi so adi kan e wo ho dada ai no ye nimdie adi kan e da ho ai bi no ye nhwehwemu a mo kire se e bia se ye to aba na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia lidi ana Kennedy Japan lidi ana Dutumu lidi eti no de nimdie da ho dada but de wo be yi se wutumi yi bias ni free mu a ebe bua me nya nimdie foforo aka wo se se nimdie na da ho dada no manfo adwena seso ade ne se ente sa te ebe ma ye knowledge aye wo dada no advance ti na these are some of the things that we avoid ye ne be bua.
Your head of research Eugene Osei-Tutu Ewaha easy on say the course.
And now, who you want
the electoral commission.
There is no
only chief returning officer. Na me wo fa say that just mean to know. Usuro
na say deputy commissioner the call parliament it we but deputy
obey bias. Because Obia woni favorite sure.
Na 19
mo hanya to say what say too multimedia there. Is it? Bias Obia woni
favorite clear. Na ye be you running meeting no. I campaign vigorously for two people. Kwabere Japanese and Tajman Rollins. And another be I'm a catcher say a journalist. Me I don't need to be a neutral. Neutrality is for cowards. Na. John Mahama saw the 15% beto non-live transport so as me a neutral. What is neutrality about it? But be objective. Objectivity nature say A at Tari me blue. And I find the politics because say red. As I say me bu Ghana for nenimtia. So I don't claim neutrality. I claim objectivity. Na no what I say obi on the biases. Maybe be me free typically just as I'm support to MPP. But medjuma me no. You asem na work and MPP asem na work and NDC asem na work. So journalism you claim neutrality. It's subjectivity. And ade bia meka obo me be adwuma bi na de amesuan say journalism you rule na 3 scorekeeping. Oka so be say why watchdogs sikana so di kwese ne ye hwese why sa na and we gatekeeping chese we decide the conversation enti na oba no chinchire fam for mfre no mo nto aba wo MPP nipo ayu muti 6 so that is gatekeeping na what you say na sa ankrofo no so ebeto mo so aba no ni obewi ni no obehye bi so obehye ni wie no wi ni wie a e won ye beka se bona ase no waye enti John Mahama 120 days am ye kodina bo no so ye that is scorekeeping o se bo say 120 days no Ghana fo nya mu gidi abeye say waye Uwia nipa watwa sika ma no so mu ni dwuma no ye behwe o ma di sika no wo de ato ne o ka so okoto penso ne ekoto ne aye that is what watchdog enti ne to kraman to fie no say wo nhwe sa kromfo ma ho na what you say that's our job to menye neutral
all right
be objective nana
yemfa results no embra
nana results no answer na mekoso no Jeff mami picture nana say free bikini de bia me ka say po bia behu bia don't rubbish it nana me principle am dey adwuma nchire fema no po bia musa dan kwakruma ye ho na di na tema so akoka say do me kwa benya MPP be lusu esi enu mitie nana komia wa sempefe na de o say research ba ko a ehun pan a wom e musa dankwa de no sadili musa dankwa ya mezaya imagine di ba nana o the picture ne to so bikini no bon so ba no hu ne baby benye baby ana hu so research will give you a certain perspective enyan kwase asem it gives you a certain perspective kojo jantoa course awaye ne ha lead up to 2024 election ya tenia yedi wu nyina no election results ne kire se ne na nkire fenfo kan no kre anaze bikini ni
efepa
unzo hu oba ne sere na so opese wu hu ne wachire wona eye nkomodie oba me no betena se nese na pese kwa mitimi ahwew na eye nkomo into research eye bikini analysis ni aye no
Eugene be hu lie pa ya abu aje fu
onimie na obi o research na onimie
ya abu aje fu mami na
we wa see cabo fruit wo
na picture na romantic girl kwa fa yi am kaso no di gina ho ne etimi ba na na enye course no
we aye
na opeki 57 course
within 30 minutes
57 course within 30 minutes and an average a minute be an average of 2 course 2 course that was 30 minutes and an average of 2 courses about 16 sure. Final one by easy anim Jane Mensa this is what this car me producer I was say 57 course nana ye calculate percentage no any percentage we calculate ya ni obinya ye no obe divided by 57 no ni obenya no multiply by 100 that is how you calculate percentages and the 57 course no Dr. Mahmoud Bamia 15. So to get the percentage of Dr. Mahmoud Bamia course awunya wonhyire fam mo say ono na ye mfa na emra na MPP mfa na emra no 15 divided by 57 times 100 na na Bamia nya 26.31%. 15 course percentage in 26.31%. Canada compare
out
Japan
of 57 course now you fight within 30 minutes.
Yes.
It move 15.
Yes.
And they can't say Omope Dr. Baumia.
Yes.
Okay.
Nana 24 Ekoma Canada compare Japan. 24 no so in the percentage terms 42.10%. Be any 2 decimal places.
Okay.
Decimal place just a point in the free number na be near 2.
Okay.
Into 42.1%. Nana Educhum Bosomchi MP onya 14 votes.
But we are 15, Educhum 14.
Canada Japan 24.
Okay.
Educhum 14 percentage terms 24.56%. Dr. Brian Echampon Rock City Ura Abetifi MP onusu nya 3 votes. Percentage terms in 5.26%. Anna Patrick Yabuama enya 1 vote MP for Kankwe Central onusu nya 1.75%. Kwabena je Japan Team Eugene yawe yenya 0 inti percentage nso 0
ono ka no credo do eno anene
eno ni kapre
won so nche say engineer suban engineer no say dey be yi butum sika
etina na vote ni Kennedy 42 bana nanim obi obehwe video ebi aje mu posi obedi atem no Nhyira FM radio ne friend mass market radio yete ne say ye maame me wodwompa na ha na omutie efom for pan ga no mo to abadodo na ha na omutie Love FM corporate radio and on the brofo bank for no anytie oka Ghana banks nyina boma edwomba ni biti hom enti open station amanfo tie pa mass market radio dentia cause ha na catchy nana what you say enti that's what they relate with so nana de bia Kennedy analysis na say a form of ne penasem no it shows in these numbers
so delegates
a form of one na all say almost a system na nsa no mato aba no cause on so almost sa na form of one a much bigger say in the party obewini na me ka that here me say Nhyira FM mass market radio chance na betra Facebook atoto boaba park so no the station that pick the course enya Joy FM enya Love FM this is mass market radio. Now if I want to test the pulse of my candidate I mean vanen kotena Joy FM and pick a course na middle class any to aba 2024 wo to aba akwa wo to
enhamenso
me man to be
enya breakground
you create ya crash for ne to aba go na hisem what you say onkoto the typical NDC ni bufu a onkoto man people onko banana a form of for no pa no
ono de
omo amache for no de bo akodi lie omne tie Nhyira FM. That's what that I would say, Nana.
Nhyira 104 Kofi, quick one now. Why you for Nchuchum Komo?
Now quickly, on say I'm happy say most of the calls are coming from Ashanti region, which is the pulse of the MPP. Just say baby party no omwe woman kasankasa baby a party ni hini ankasa won a stronghold no nipa ompese obedi wo manim na dynamics necessary we so inform the decisions of omo contest no omo manya low but surprising me kakra looking at the difference about 16% difference Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Kennedy Japan, but as Eugene said a fem for no and a kasa and Ashanti region nana say about 203,000 delegates near dia omoko ye omoko to abani adini nyina na Ashanti region about 34,000 almost 35,000 telling you over 17% from Hasinti getting results from here through your research no define baby a party no flag bearership race no ejina say yes said your word adwuma ye bia no wo hwe na wotumi ye na brain inti quickly say na meka
Nhyira 104.5 and finally
Nhyira 104.5
the second time post no kire say Ken Ohene Japan Edasu Lidi out of 57 calls onya 24 within 30 minutes. Nese imagine if you be in 1 hour and one can say betimi achiro. But still the last month no Ken Ohene Japan any lead year and then so the Ken Ohene Japan last month na educhum etreli kakra. But they say educhum ko nenim and we Bawumia supporter I was so my yam show because they say educhum pushy konanim because enadie Bawumia 15 educhum nya 14 ebi wo kra metwitwam nti nka mentwitwa be mienu miensa bi mu kra na ka bia nka educhum ebetimi but I wanted to be very professional and to avoid biases. Right now as we speak MPP we can say based on this, and then you can choose to do your own thing. Maybe I'm a catcher. So we are into right now that's so doubt here a wawasem. So right now saying FM for your post na what doubt say enye papa a wawasem because they say MPP for no many I'm sure say MPP for so man cause woman say FM for your move any agro. So Ken Ohene Japan right now a lead based on their votes, Yama MPP Syria callers and fre, Yama NDC for and fre, Yama floating voters near MPP for none 2 year. Can Ohene Japan LED by many percentage Bawumia and a Tosso a Duchum third, but a marginal Dr. Brian Champon in ya 3 and Patrick Yabua Mansu in ya 1. Express say, Canada Ohene Japan, Patrick Yabuama, Kwabren Japan. The yenyi Ken Ohene Japan di enim film. It means that say o calculate here. Patrick Yabuama agye Bawumia vote ni bi. Edutum nso abegye Bawumia vote ni bi. Brian Champon abegye Bawumia vote ni bi. Nti say o ka Patrick Yabuama de ene Edutum de boma. Na o de beka Brian na 18. Na say 18 votes. 18 votes ne kire say me de Patrick ni Edutum ni Brian de na beka bom. Enti yemfa 18 ka 15 ho ebenyaze. 18 plus 15 ebeze. 33. It means that sanka eye Bawumia ne Ken Ohene Japan kwa na ekwa. Ebia ke Edutum yemfa say Edutum support Bawumia, Brian support Bawumia, Patrick support Bawumia. Then it is likely say ankasa votes ni nyina no ebia ebekwa akoka Bawumia ho. Inti nanka ebia Bawumia out of this one Bawumia benya be 33 na Kenya 24. But the danger is say one na omo support Dr. Bawumia no ati omo ho Dr. Edutum, Brian, Patrick omo nso yeyi bi film. Inti oye Bawumia supporter you should be worried.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5
Why